In this presentation, you will learn about biotechnology, branches of biotechnology, its relatedness with other life sciences, application and importance in human life. So let's start with the general definition of biotechnology. Biotechnology is that subject of biology which is widely making the use of biological system, an organism and a specific constitute of an organism. It may be the part of that organism or it may be a specific component like enzyme of that organism to develop new product or process and improve the existing ones. There are different societies and foundations which define biotechnology in different ways. The American Chemical Society defines biotechnology as the application of biological organisms, systems or process by various industries to learning about the science of life and the improvement of the value of the materials and organisms such as pharmaceutical, crops and livestock. Its main industries are using biotechnology for the learning of science and also for the improvement of the materials and organism for the betterment and advancement in human life. There is another definition which defined by European Federation of Biotechnology. Biotechnology is the integration of natural science and organism, cells, parts thereof, and molecular analogues for products and services. Its mean biotechnology uses the natural sciences at the molecular level for the production and the development. Mainly biotechnology is established on basic life sciences. First is molecular biology, the branch of biology that deals with the structure and function of macromolecules, for example proteins and nucleic acid, essential to life. The second one is cell biology. The study of cell is also called cellular biology or cytology. Cell consists of cytoplasm enclosed within a membrane which contains many biomolecules such as proteins and nucleic acids. Most plants and animal cells are mostly visible under the microscope with the dimension between 1 and 100 micrometers. The third one is biochemistry, is the branch of science that explores the chemical process within and related to the living organism. It is a laboratory-based science that brings together the biology and chemistry. The fourth one is embryology, is the branch of biology that studies the parental development of gametes, sex cells, fertilization and development of embryos and fetus. The fifth one is genetics. Genetics is that branch of biology concerned with the study of genes, genetic variation and heredity in organisms. Microbiology is the study of microscopic organisms such as bacteria, viruses, fungi and protozoa. Branches of biotechnology. Gold biotechnology is also known as bioinformatics, is an interdisciplinary field that addresses biological problems using computational techniques such as softwares and websites and make possible to analyze the large-scale biological data and understand the information related to the biological molecules. These softwares and websites may provide us opportunity to understand the biological molecule and also deal with the huge amount of data. Bioinformatics significantly contributed in various strands including functional genomics, structural genomics and proteomics, and established a major role in biotechnology and pharmaceutical sector. Below biotechnology is based on the use of sea resources such as fish, shellfish and sponges to make products and utilize them industrially. So the industrial application of this branch of biotechnology mainly dealing with the refining and combustion and importantly the production of bio-oils with photosynthetic microalgae. Green biotechnology is that branch which uses agriculture processes that uses genetically altered plants or animals to produce more environmentally friendly farming solutions and alternative to traditional agriculture, horticulture and animal breeding process such as micropropagation, transgenic plants, industrial application. It is mainly focused on the development and the advancement of agriculture, so this area of biotechnology is also considered as a next phase of green revolution. Red biotechnology is the biotechnology which uses techniques and procedures in the field of medicine, pharmaceutical industry and in health sector. So it is also called biopharmaceutical. It's a process that utilizes organisms to improve healthcare and help the body to fight diseases. Genetic engineering, production and development of various medicine treat different life-threatening disease which is a part of benefits of red biotechnology. These branches chiefly dealing with the production of vaccines, antibiotics, regenerative therapies, formation of artificial organs and new diagnostic of ailments. White biotechnology or industrial biotechnology deals with the process and resources functional in industries to produce the industrial goods such as enzyme as a chemical catalyst. To replace the polluting technologies from clean one, the technology using living cells from molds, bacteria, plants and yeast to synthesize easily degradable product. It may need less energy and fewer byproduct waste. Yellow biotechnology is that biotechnology which is used in food production such as making wine, cheese and beer by fermentation. These branches also refers to biotechnology applied to insects. The biotechnological strategies to control the harmful insects and the use of genes of insects and active ingredients of insects for research and utilization in agriculture and medicinal sectors. Grey biotechnology is refers to the environmental usages and emphasize on the maintenance of biodiversity and removal of pollutants. To balancing the environment by the removal of harmful chemicals by using microorganisms and also plants for disposable of different substances. It deals with the protection of fauna and flora from human activities using bioremedial technology to remove the pollutant and various other methods. Brown biotechnology is that branch which deals with the management of arid lands and deserts. The brown color represents the color of soil. Feeding the population in such area is what brown biotechnology is all about. Violet biotechnology is associated with law, ethical and philosophical issues related to the biotechnologies in addition with the issues related to the inventions, publication and patents. Dark biotechnology refers to the bioterrorism or biological weapons and biowarfare which utilize the microorganisms and toxins, which is responsible for causing lethal disease in humans, livestock and crops. Application of biotechnology. Principally, biotechnology has four applications in main industrial areas. First is healthcare. As human health care is a major growing concern worldwide because of infectious disease, the biotechnology has offered modern medical devices for diagnostic and preventive purpose. Crop production to increase the yield and to produce disease in plant of use of selective breeding and bring about an exchange of genetic material. Non-food industrial use of crops and other products like an example of production of biofuel as an alternative to fossil fuel. Environmental uses. Fungi are important degrader of biopolymers and are used in solid waste treatment, which is the best example that how biotechnology is beneficial for the environment. Pharmaceutical drug discovery. Biotechnology has contributed to the discovery and manufacturing of traditionally small molecules pharmaceutical drug. The best example is insulin, widely used for the treatment of diabetes. The genetically engineered bacteria are able to produce large quantities at relatively low cost. Pharmacogenomics, a combination of pharmacology and genomics, is the technology that analyzes how genetic makeup affects an individual response to drug discovery. Genetic testing and genetic screening. The purpose is to develop the rational means to optimize drug therapy with respect to the patient genotype to ensure maximum efficacy with minimum adverse effect. Such approaches promise the advent of personalized medicine in which drug and drug combination are optimized for each individual's unique genetic makeup. Genetically modified crops or GM crops are plants used in agriculture. The main aim is to introduce a new trait that does not occur naturally in these species. Now, farmers have widely used and adopted the GM technology. Genetically modified foods are food produced from organisms that have had specific changes introduced in their DNA with the method of genetic engineering. Examples in food crops include resistance to certain pests, disease, stressful environmental condition, reduction of spoilage, and improving the nutrient profile of crop. Example in non-food crops include the production of pharmaceutical agents, biofuels, and other industrial goods, as well as for bioremediation. Biotechnology for industrial purpose, industrial fermentation. By using raw material to produce a variety of chemicals and fuels, industrial biotechnology is actively advancing towards lowering the gas emission and moving away from petrochemical based economy. It includes the practice of using the cells such as microorganism or component of cell like enzyme to generate industrially useful products in sectors such as chemicals, food and feed, detergent, papers and pulps, textiles and biofuels. The environment can be affected by biotechnologies both positively and adversely. Positive effect means beneficial biotechnology, for example, bioremediation is to clean up an oil spill or hazard chemical leaks. Adverse effect from biotechnological enterprises, for example, flow of genetic material from transgenic organisms into wild strains. Cleaning up environmental waste is an example of an application of environmental biotechnology, whereas loss of biodiversity or loss of harmful microbes are examples of environmental implication of biotechnology. The regulation of genetic engineering concerns approaches taken by government to assess and manage the risk associated with the use of genetic engineering technology and the development and release of genetically modified organisms GMO, including genetically modified crops and genetically modified fish. Regulation varies in different countries depending on the intended use of the product of the genetic engineering. Under the coordinated framework, the federal agencies, the U.S. Department of Agriculture, USDA, the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, and the Food and the Drug Administrative, FDA, share primary responsibility for regulating biotechnology. These are the references which I have included in this presentation. Some more references. Thank you, and hoping that this presentation really add information regarding the biotechnology, its application and its importance.